Here's the Amana installed in the window. I found out that this is a 5000 BTU. It's a nice quiet machine, very quiet. In fact, if you couldn't tell, the camera doesn't really show very well, but this is on high. You can hear how quiet that thing is. This thing was really dusty though, and I got it cleaned up quite a bit, and now it's running. The reason I ran this instead of this, I ran this a lot earlier, but this thing was just so freaking loud. And even though it worked really good, I just did not like the appearance of it in this window because of these curtains and just a bunch of other reasons. Plus I wanted to use this thing because this thing just looks so much better. The install came out a lot better too. But yeah, this is very quiet, and it's actually on high. I'll show it to you on low real quick. Not a huge amount of difference. Might as well just run it on high. There's somewhat of a difference. This pulls 5.2 amps. And it's actually moving a good amount of air. It's actually moving the light. I don't know how much you'll be able to see that. I'll show you guys the outside of it. Show you guys the outside of it. This thing sticks out of the window quite far. Look at how big that fan motor is. I don't know what kind of it. I don't know what kind it is. It doesn't look like an Emerson. I know a lot of these had Emersons. This one does not appear to have one. Listen to that compressor roar. This thing is powered by a Matsushita rotary, which is gotta be my favorite rotary compressor. I'll let you guys just listen to it. That thing sounds awesome. There's no vents on the top, so the rain can't get in. Not that it would be because it's under a porch. And there's plenty of air coming out the back. Yeah, the coil's a little dinged up, I gotta do something about that. And check this out. Oh no, it's not efficient. Oh no. Yep, that's right, there is a hole. There's a drain hole. That way, you know, the coil run out. These were made in the late 80s, early 90s. Check this out. Don't really see a whole lot of rust there, do I? Yeah. Even inside of the pan. It's just some debris. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. You know why? Because the water can get out. Imagine that. You know, someday people figure out how to make an air conditioner properly. These guys did. That thing does stick out the window quite far for a 5000 though. I mean, you can't really sit in front of there. I do like the sound of those compressors though. Good old Matsushita, which is not Panasonic as far as I'm aware. As far as I'm aware, it's powered by Matsushita. For a minute there, I thought I'd turn it off. Jeez. I've already cut myself once there on this thing. How many more times will I? Oh, it's out of focus. There it goes. Let's see if we can get a date. It's a manufacturer number. Someone could find out. I don't know if there's like a date code. thermostat, notice how it's along the bottom and not the top. That way, if for some reason it did recirculate, not that these did by any means, but even if it did, it's not going to alter the reading because it's way down at the bottom. There's got to be like a dink down there somewhere. It's not handling low light very well. Now this filter is still kind of dirty. I still gotta finish cleaning that up. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. Jeez. Doesn't want to go in. Jeez. I hate that sound. It's like the feeling of, oh shoot, did I break something? That's the end of the video. Have a nice day. This is definitely my new favorite unit.